So we're told that an internet marketing company wants to determine the current percentage of customers who click on ads on their smartphones. We're asked how many customers should the company survey in order to be 90% confident that the estimated proportion is within 5 percentage points of the true population proportion of the customers who click on ads on their smartphones. So assume that the sample proportion is P is 0.50. Now note that if we're asked for a minimum sample size and we aren't given a proportion, we would assume 0.5 for our proportion because 0.5 for P and 0.5 for Q is always going to give us the widest, most conservative interval. Now in this case, we're told that it's 0.5. So let's write down our given information. I did go ahead and write down the formula. The sample size needed is going to be z squared times p times q divided by the error bound on the proportion squared. If you forget this particular formula, you can remember the error bound of the proportion formula and then just solve for n algebraically. Solve for the sample size algebraically. So we're given that p is 0.5. That means q is 0.5. The error bound on the proportion. Be careful with this because it says within 5 percentage points. So 5% is going to be 0.05. And we're told that it's 90% confidence. So that corresponds to a z-score of 1.645. So now we just substitute into our formula. Z squared is going to be 1.645 squared. P is 0.5. Q is 0.5. That's all divided by the error bound squared, which is 0.05 squared. And if we calculate through using those values, we're going to get approximately 270.6025. Now remember, we can't have part of a person. So 270 wouldn't be enough. We'll have to round up, and the internet marketing company should survey at least 271 customers in order to meet those parameters of 90% confidence within 5 percentage points of the true population proportion.